Jack was one of the most successful traders in America. People saw his expensive cars, his beautiful house, and the millions of dollars in his trading account. But they never saw the years of hard work behind his success. Long before becoming a millionaire, Jack was just a young man with a dream. Every night he sat in front of his computer studying charts, reading market news, and learning everything he could about trading. While other people were enjoying their free time, Jack was focused on improving his skills. He lost money many times, made countless mistakes, and faced difficult moments that would have made most people quit. But Jack never gave up. He believed that one day all of his hard work would pay off. One morning, before the market opened, Jack noticed something unusual on a stock chart. The setup looked incredibly strong. He spent hours analyzing every detail, checking the news, reviewing historical price action, and studying market conditions. The more he looked at the chart, the more confident he became. It seemed like the opportunity of a lifetime. After careful planning, Jack entered the trade and waited patiently for the market to move. At first, everything went perfectly. The stock started rising and Jack's account balance began growing rapidly. Thousands of dollars turned into tens of thousands. The trade looked unstoppable. Then suddenly unexpected news hit the market. Fear spread across Wall Street. Traders rushed to sell their positions and panic filled the market. The stock that had been moving higher started falling rapidly. Social media was full of negative predictions. Financial experts were warning traders to stay away. Everywhere Jack looked, people were afraid. Many traders closed their positions and accepted losses, but Jack remained calm. Instead of reacting emotionally, he focused on his analysis. He carefully studied the charts again and noticed something interesting. Large institutional investors were quietly buying shares, while smaller traders were selling in fear. It was a sign that most people completely missed. Jack trusted his preparation and stayed patient. The next morning, the market opened, and for several hours, nothing happened. The stock moved sideways, and uncertainty remained high. Then suddenly, buyers entered the market in huge numbers. The stock price exploded upward. Traders who had sold in panic watched in disbelief as the market continued climbing higher and higher. Jack's trade recovered all previous losses and moved deep into profit. Within hours, it became one of the biggest winning trades of his entire career. News of Jack's success spread quickly throughout trading communities across America. Many people wanted to know how he had stayed calm while everyone else was panicking. When they asked for his secret, they expected him to talk about indicators and complicated strategies. Instead, Jack gave a simple answer. He said that success in trading is not about predicting every move correctly. Success comes from discipline, patience, preparation, and controlling emotions when the market becomes difficult. Years later, Jack continued trading successfully and inspiring new traders. He always shared the same lesson. The market rewards discipline and punishes emotional decisions. Wealth is not created overnight. It is built through consistent effort, smart decisions, and the ability to stay focused when others lose confidence. One evening, after another successful trading day, Jack sat in his office looking at the city lights outside his window. He remembered the struggles, the losses, and the sleepless nights that had shaped his journey. Those memories reminded him how far he had come. As the market closed and another day ended, Jack smiled and prepared for the future. He knew that opportunities would always come and go. Profits would rise and fall, but discipline would remain the foundation of lasting success. That belief had transformed his life, and it was the lesson he hoped every trader would remember. Trading 1, Mastering the Markets.